Oh, fuck. Oh. Yeah, God. All right. Welcome to an Untitled review. Today we're going to be reviewing something very, very special. Our good friends at... Oh, Little Fat Lamb have released a new flavor. This is Little Fat Lamb Lemonator. Lemonator. Now, you may remember a previous review in which we looked at a product which was called Little Fat Lamb Rambo Blood Orange, I believe. And, you know, that was a bit of a coincidence because there was actually a movie called Rambo. Now, just another coincidence is this one's called Lemonator. Now, you may see it's called Lemonator, and they've got a mechanical animal here with some modifications. Now, it's a bit of an obscure movie, much like Rambo, that was called Terminator, and Terminator actually featured a mechanical kind of human-y type robot. Now, yeah, so just another coincidence that this one is called Lemonator and seems to have a mechanical animal theme. So interesting, worth noting. Okay, so let's get to the important stuff. Barcode shot. Okay, 9345577004060. Okay, it's very important that we do that for all you barcode fans out there, and I know there's quite a few. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, refund collection depots, points in participating state and territory of purchase. That does now include my state. That's very good. Best served chilled. This is very cold. It's been in the refrigerator. So that's good. Now, this text is a bit hard to read. The white on yellow leads to some problems, but this is 7.9 standard drinks out of 10. It can actually go higher than 10. It's interesting. Brewed and bottled in Australia, produced for United Distillers, distributed by Drinkcraft, Proprietary Limited, 900 Pacific Highway, Usero, Central Coast, New South Wales, 2250. You know, maybe we should all go there one day. We'll visit. It'll be like a Willy Wonka type thing. You know, we'll get to see the factory where the little fat lamb is distributed from, I guess. Yeah, very interesting. All right, now this is a brewed wine product, which is very, very important because wine is subject to a different set of taxes compared to, you know, spirits and other types of alcohols. So it's very important that we do recognize that this is wine. So this is a Little Fat Lamb brewed alcoholic Lemonator wine at 8% alcohol. That's very good. Oh, what's this one say? Oh yeah, return, refill, reuse. More like, okay, I guess I could do that. Drinkwise.com.au. That means it's not for profit officially. That's actually enforced by the AUDA, interestingly enough. And please drink responsibly. No fucking pregnant women. No. Okay, so we're going to do the opening shot here. Okay, hold on. Let me just move the mic over as well because we need to get a good audio on this. No, oh no, it's not on this angle. Hold on, just got to do a thing real quick. Let's see. Okay, it's here. Yeah. There we go. Okay, here we are. Ready? You see a little bit of that gassy type stuff coming out. There might be some sort of gas or vapor. Post in the comments if you know the difference. Explain them and tell me what that was. Was it a gas? Was it a vapor? Was it a mixture of the two? Oh, okay. So you're probably smelling this right now. The room is filling with a bit of a lemon flavoring type odor. Yeah, have a. Let me bring this over so you can hear it as well. Yep, yep. It smells kind of lemony. Honestly, the scent is less like I'd expect a lemon flavored thing, and more of like a lemon you've just sliced up kind of smell, which is surprising and I guess promising. That's probably a good thing. All right, let's give it a shot here. We're gonna do the pour. All right. Okay, so. Okay, give it a bit of a smell. Now this does have, it smells kind of lemony, but it does have that signature little fat lamb smell. That all of them have. All right, so we're gonna give this a quick shot here. All right, you ready, guys? Okay, it's time to drink this. Oh. Oh. All right. My thoughts are it tastes hold on, I didn't really pay attention to the taste, I just kind of sculled it. I forgot to taste it, alright? Taste of lemon. Probably say it tastes like wine and Solo. Okay, this has been an Untitled review. That is a 7.9 out of 10. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Have you ever had a lemon? Have you ever had a little fat lamb brewed alcoholic lemonator? If you have, and you've also had the brewed alcoholic lemonade, how would you compare the two? Are they the same thing? Maybe. I probably should have bought one of those as well so I could taste that again and see. Yeah. It's actually pretty good. Like, I gotta say, probably the worst Little Fat Lamb I've had was Little Fat Lamb Cola, which I don't even fucking know why. When I went to the store, it was 2 for $10. Instead of getting like 2 lemonators or a lemonator and a lemonade, I got a fucking lemonator and cola. I got the cola one, which is like my least fucking favorite. It's the worst flavor they've got. I don't know why I did that. Fuck.